Alright, today I want to talk to you guys about the ticking time bomb we all have in our laundry rooms. Seriously, a minute worth of attention here could save you thousands. So if you've got a washing machine, you've got water hoses hooked to that washing machine. And the scary part about those is that they're basically a dumbed down garden hose that's fully pressurized sitting inside your house. If anything happens to these, you're talking about serious water damage, thousands of dollars in repairs. So it's really important to inspect these every once in a while. I was warned about this by my parents and friends when I first bought a house. After about 10 years of homeownership, I decided to take a look, and I was almost too late. You can see here, moisture had actually started to collect and drip down the wall. I was maybe a week away from disaster. So it's really important you guys get out there, inspect your washing machine hoses, make sure they're in top quality, make sure your drain's hooked up properly and secured so that you don't have problems with your drain. My brother ran into that. If you do find some corroded hoses, it's no big deal. All you need to do is first shut off the water. Then I run my machine for just like a second to depressurize the hoses so you don't get any water spray. Put a little rag underneath the hoses to collect any drips. And then loosen the hoses and replace them one by one. So close to disaster. I also put down a towel down underneath the lower end of the hose because that's where most of the water will come out when you take it off. You can put the ends of the hoses right into the washing machine to catch any drips because it's going to collect water eventually anyways. And then replace your hoses. Obviously blue goes to the cold and red goes to the hot. And then gently tighten them with a pair of pliers, not too tight. And then we can repressurize the system, double check for leaks, and you're all done. And inspecting these hoses frequently takes seconds and can save you thousands of dollars. It's so easy to just peek behind the machine, make sure everything's okay, check for corrosion, and move on. I hope you guys appreciated this. Check out some of my other home improvement videos if you haven't already. Make sure you're subscribed, and I'll catch you guys next time.